Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a rather serious topic that affects millions of Americans every year: food-borne illnesses. Join us as we uncover the hidden dangers lurking in our kitchens and restaurants. Food-borne illnesses are a pervasive concern in America, with millions of reported cases annually. These illnesses are caused by microscopic pathogens such as Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, which can contaminate our food during various stages of production, handling, and preparation. In this segment, we'll delve into the staggering numbers and explore the severity of the issue. To truly grasp the risks associated with food-borne illnesses, it's crucial to understand the culprits behind them, the pathogens. These microscopic troublemakers can lead to severe illness when ingested, and they often find their way into our food through contamination during production, handling, or preparation. In this segment, we'll shed light on these invisible threats and how they can impact our health. Whether in professional kitchens or our own homes, certain practices significantly increase the risk of food-borne illnesses. Cross-contamination, improper storage of raw meats, inadequate hand washing, and the consumption of undercooked or raw foods are just a few examples. Through a montage of clips, we'll explore these risky practices and highlight the importance of avoiding them. No place is entirely immune to the risk of food-borne illnesses, be it a restaurant kitchen with stringent regulations or our own homes. In this segment, we'll discuss how outbreaks can occur in both settings, examining the potential causes and emphasizing the need for vigilance in our daily food preparation routines. The consequences of food-borne illnesses extend beyond a few uncomfortable days. They can range from mild discomfort to life-threatening conditions. Specific populations, such as the elderly, children, and individuals with weakened immune systems, are particularly vulnerable. Through real-life stories, we'll shed light on the personal impact these illnesses can have, emphasizing the urgency of addressing the issue. Now that we've explored the risks, it's time to focus on prevention. In this segment, we'll share expert tips on maintaining safe food practices, including proper hand-washing techniques, safe food handling, and ensuring that food is cooked to recommended temperatures. By adopting these preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the likelihood of food-borne illnesses in our homes and communities. Fortunately, strict regulations are in place to safeguard our food supply. Government agencies such as the FDA and USDA play a crucial role in monitoring and enforcing food safety standards. In this segment, we'll highlight the efforts of these regulatory bodies and discuss how their work contributes to the overall safety of the food we consume. As we conclude our exploration into the realm of food-borne illnesses in America, it becomes evident that this issue is not to be taken lightly. With millions of cases reported annually and potentially severe consequences for our health, understanding the risks and adopting preventive measures is paramount. From the microscopic pathogens that lurk in our food to the risky practices in kitchens, both professional and home, the journey to safer meals requires our collective attention. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our amazing videos. Let's stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. Happy eating!